Just sending a video across just to show you a little more on Stormboard. So I'm going to experiment using Stormboard with the Year 9s who are doing the ICTech 2020 Challenge through D&T Association. When I've set up the Stormboard, so you can create a new one here, or here, sorry, you can choose a template. So I went for this design thinking template because it sort of quickly matches the design process. And when I got in here, just copy this, I was able to, let me close it. Okay, either way, in these sections, you've got the topic area. So I've just added a sticky note with an image. And basically the image covers the contextual challenges that we're currently facing within the ICTech challenge. So pupils will be able to open that up if they need a reminder. I've then pasted in or added sticky notes again, but with a video. And I've pasted in the videos of each stage that Data have put together with different designers and engineers. In here, some of our pupils have done some collaborative work in OneNote where they've looked at sort of mind mapping the problem or the context, and then they've discussed sort of typical things that it could mean, and then they've picked out the key points from it. So if I go into one of them, I've just exported it as a file from OneNote, and hopefully it will allow me just to view it. Okay, so this is what the file looks like. I won't zoom in on it because it's got pupil names and things on there. But they basically covered the two questions that were within the contextual challenge. And they picked out their key thoughts in here, and some of them in red have written down what a parent or family member's thoughts are as well. And then they've basically got a row. They've also got a column where they can pick out the key or interesting points that somebody else has made within their collaborative group. What I wanted them to do after that, because there's four of them, was that two of them, or one of them, would focus on pulling together the key points from question one, and one would pull together the key points from question two. The other two members were to email some members of staff in school and to pose the questions to them as well. So that's us sort of exploring the topic, trying to understand a little bit more about it. We might add some additional tasks into here. Then we go into the define stage, which is where they are at the moment. They have had one attempt at this, but I wasn't happy overall. So once they've completed some work today, they'll be able to post theirs up on a sticky note on here. And then when they come up with their ideas, we've got a video here, again from Data, and you can see it's from a guy, I think his name was Sam Mensa. Okay, so the pupils will be able to access that in one place, and then each group of four will have a whiteboard that's produced on here. And again, it's very, very easy. Just double click, whiteboard, start a new whiteboard, and there it is. Okay. What I will do on my iPad is just go in and just draw a bit of a divide going across here, maybe a section for a pupil to enter their name, and then they can sketch into the individual areas of the board. The main reason for that at the moment is that I don't want them interrupting or rubbing out each other's drawings. So once the page is on there, you can edit the title, so call it, I think keeping whiteboard was important, but group A, for example, and then you can leave it on there. Okay, so I'll delete that one. And then the final part, the prototype stage, we obviously haven't got to yet, but I'm interested in maybe getting them to put together storyboards or little videos of them creating a prototype or model of their idea. It could be a development sketch in a model, and they might use Flipgrid for this one, or I might just get them to upload their videos on here. Okay, and then obviously they could do videos maybe, or a little document testing their designs as well.